I'm going to prepare a delicious chicken treat called Yen Thongba, which is Manipuri style chicken curry. To begin the recipe, first I'm going to heat the pan, add mustard oil, 2 tablespoons. As the smoke starts coming, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf. With it also I'm going to add cumin seeds, chopped garlic, sliced onion. Cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. As the onion starts to sweat, I'm going to add little coriander powder and garam masala and cook till the rawness of the masala goes away. At this stage, I'm going to add tomato and cook till they are soft and mushy. The tomato has gone soft. I'm going to add chicken now. Now mix the chicken with the masala. After mixing the chicken nicely with the masala, I'm going to add little water. Give it a nice mix and cover it with the lid and cook it for at least 5 minutes. While the chicken is getting cooked, let's make our ghost chili mix. For that, I'm going to use ghost chili paste. To that, I'm going to add turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger julienne, add little water and mix it nicely. After covering cooking the chicken for 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. Into the chicken, I'm going to add ghost chili mix which we made earlier. Give it a nice mix with the chicken. After mixing the chicken well, I'm going to add potato slices. With the potato, I'm going to add some pepper powder, salt and little chopped coriander. Give it a nice mix. At this stage, again I'm going to add little water. Give it one final stir and cover and cook it for at least 10 minutes. And there you go guys, our Manipuri style chicken curry is now ready. Let's start serving. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.